checking the road for like, you know, wet spots and stuff, because I've seen people slip out. I can't take responsibility, obviously, if you wreck your car or if you get pulled over by a cop, so I'm just going to lay that out there as a disclaimer. But just know, limit, what we're going to do is I'll start off with the lead. We got a few people here, I think, with walkie-talkies. Does anybody have a walkie-talkie that hasn't had it set up yet?
What channel are we on?
16 and sub-channel 05.
Okay.
You can come over my spot if you want, but I'm just trying to make sure we got a few walkie-talkies throughout the entire people are going to get broken up. I'm pretty sure of it. So anyway, just make sure if anything, just follow the guy in front of you and just hope you make it through. But
I know the route.
yeah, yeah, exactly. So I mean, we're gonna head out basically up through Fountain Grove, and then we're gonna go through Brush Creek and then Marquess Spring, and then eventually head out to the 128 through St. Helena, Silverado Trail, then 128 we'll go to Berryessa. Come on back down through Marquess, hit River Road, go through West Side up to Fieldsburg, and then come back down and head up to the brewery. You don't have to go to the brewery. You can bail at any time you want, for all I care. But that's just kind of the general summary. So, is everybody good?
Yep.
Everybody got their tire pressure checked?
We're stopping at the station.
Oh yeah, sorry, we're gonna stop at the station through St. Helena. And then that's gonna be before we head out to the Glory Hole. So, cool. I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes. And then, let's get your